Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to create table and database in MySQL. So first of all guys, so to create a guys table, first of all we need to create a database, and in Workbench database is known as schema. So just click on it here, this cylindrical icon over here, click on it and just name the database. So I'm gonna name it as first. Fine. And after this we need to click on this option over here, apply. And so it says that the server is configured with lowercase table 1, which allow the lowercase in schema. So yeah, oh, it's so basically now it runs the following query to make our new database. Just click on apply and click on finish. So now guys, we have successfully made our database over here. Fine. So now after this, now once you create your database guys, here you will see at the bottom you will see this administration and schemas. Click on schemas here, and here you will find your schema you have created recently. So this is our schema, and just right click over here, or just right click over here and click on create uh, tab table. So click on it, and here you need to enter the name of your table like students. And here you can start uh, adding the columns. So first, name of your column, like double click over here and enter like ID or serial number. First column will be serial number and its data type will be as integer. And so basically it's, is it a primary key, null, non null? Yeah, it's a non null primary. Keep it, just check all the constant over here. So is it a unique key? Yes. Is it a, it's a unique key as well. And after this, now you can double click under the under the column. Double click over here and the new column will be created automatically. Just enter the name here like first name, and here you can select the data type. Like if it has different data type, you can select from here. But right now, since it is our first name, so it's a string, so it has to be varchar. So it also, you can see it is a limit here, so you can enter 45 character up to 45 characters. And now you have to choose whether it's a primary key. Yes, it's a primary key and no null key. So we can, yeah, that's it. So now the next next column will be for the last name, and after that it's also need to choose the data type again, and it has to be non null. It can be no null, but it can not be primary key as well, so we can leave it as. And yeah, primary key, first name cannot be primary key again, but non null, it has to be non null because first name it, your student must enter, or a student must have a first name at least. Now after that, click on the next column over here and enter like roll number. So roll number can be guys the primary key, and choose the data type, like it has to be guys integer. So we need to check choose as integer, and it has to be primary key, and it has to be non null because every student has roll number, so we have to choose it. And the next number, what could be the next number? So let's leave it as here. So just leave it. If you, let's delete this column, and after this guys you can apply all the settings over here. So after applying all the settings, it automatically runs the query required for making any table in database. Just click on apply, and it says that Again, all the things will be as lowercase, so it will be automatically will be created as lowercase, and this following query will be run uh, to make the student table. So click on apply and click on finish, and here guys we have created successfully a new table. And to view it, you have to expand the table from here. Can you see over here? Yeah, so just need to expand it, and from next, just next click on it, and here you can click on this option to view your table. So right now we have no data inside it, so you can enter the data one by one. Like first of all, you can enter the serial number like 1, and first name like Manish, and second name like Patel, and roll number it's like 58. Similarly, you can enter the second serial number, and the first name is Kshitij, and the last name is Kamble, and the roll number must be 4852. And the next is Chetan, last name is Sharma, and the roll number is 51. So you similarly you can enter the you can fill the entries in the table, and let's enter the next entry over here, and let's name it as Gaurav, and last name is Yadav, and here the roll number is 32 or 43, whatever. So after this guys, just click on apply over here. The font is very small, so I hope you will be able to see it. So just here you can see the apply button. Click over here, and the following follow so it runs the following key guys queries automatically. So it will generate and automatically runs over here. Just need to click on apply button over here and click on finish, and all the entries will be entered in the table. Now let's view our table from here. So just click over this table icon over here next to the table name. Click over it, and you can see this is how our table look like. Basically this is a result. So basically from the result you can enter the data. Fine, so this is how you can do it. Hope you like it. And this is a actual query you can run to view your table. Like if you want, so if you want to apply some condition over here, you can also do that. So let me run some query over here guys. So select the table, select asterisk means it means it project all the entries from all the columns from the table. So I'm gonna select only what the hell, first name and last name. Fine, only I'm selecting these column. Let's see. Let's run this again. Let's project our. So now you can see the guys result of the R query that I have run recently. Here you can see that. Let me zoom it. You can see that I had just selected the first name and last name column from the table. Fine, first dot students, and so if I run the execute the following query, you can see the output here. So to run your query you have to click on this from here, instead of viewing the table from here, so I just forget the step. So this is how you can create database and table in the MySQL Workbench. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And if you want full tutorial on it, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to make a complete video on it. And thanks for watching. Bye bye, and subscribe for more video.